Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 8.3 question number 3. Our question is, if tan 2a is equal to tan a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a they are asking. So question is about tan and cot. So we have a complementary angles formula, that is tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta value and cot 90 minus theta value will always equal because tan theta and cot theta are complementary angles. Here this is our given question, that is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees given. So here cot is given, so here also we need to make it in terms of cot only. So we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So here the tan 2a we are going to change it into cot. So whenever we are changing tan in terms of cot, automatically this angle will be subtracted from 90 degree. Whenever we are changing tan to cot, this is a rule. So 90 minus 2a it will be, which is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So both the sides we have cot angle, this side also we have cot angle. So we can say that these two angles are same. So we can write it 90 minus 2a will be equal to a minus 18 degree. Now the minus 18 bring it to this side, that will become plus 18. That minus 2a you just take it to other side, it will become plus 2a. So a plus 2a we are getting. So here 90 plus 18 will give you 108 degree, which is equal to 3a. So the multiplication 3 bring it to this side, that will become division. So a is equal to 108 by 3. So we can cancel it. 3 3s are 9, balance 1 6. So 36 degree we are getting. So a is equal to 36 degree. So here they have given a condition 2a is an acute angle. Definitely 2a is an acute angle because since a is 36 degree, 2a will be 2 into 36, that will give you 72. 72 degree is an acute angle. The angle which is coming less than 90 will be called as an acute angle. So condition satisfied is an acute angle. So that's what we need to check. Finally they are asked you to find the a value. We got the a value. Here they are asked you to check the condition 2a should be an acute angle. So we are checking for this. This is a checking only. So here we are doing the checking. 2a value 72. 72 is an acute angle. That's all students. We'll move on to the next problem now. Fourth question. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Same rule. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Again, so the tan a can be written as cot. So the tan became cot means definitely this angle will be subtracted from 90. So 90 minus a is equal to cot b we can write. Now this also cot some angle, this also cot some angle. So since cot and cot are same, that angles also will be equal. So 90 minus a is equal to b. So the minus a taken into other side, it will become plus. So 90 is equal to a plus b. So here the angle what you should mention should be mentioned with the degree. So a plus b is equal to 90 degree. That's what you need to prove. So we can write it hence proved. Very easiest one. We'll move on to the next problem now. Our question is secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20. So our complementary rule is secant theta can be written as cosecant 90 minus theta. So this is a complementary rule. Secant always will be cosecant complementary. So this is our question. Now in the place of secant, I am going to change it into cosecant. So cosecant, when the secant became cosecant theta, this angle should be subtracted from 90 degree. So we can write 90 minus 4a because the angle given is 4a. So 90 minus 4a, which is equal to this side we have cosecant a minus 20. Keep as it is. Now both the side are equal to cosecant angles. Since cosecant are same angle, this angles also will be equal. So 90 minus 4a can be equated to a minus 20. So bring the numbers to one side and variable to another side. So 90 degree minus 20 degree, if you bring it to this side, that will become plus 20 degree, which is equal to, here we have the a, that minus 4a, if you take it to other side, it will become plus 4a. So 90 plus 20 will give you 110, which is equal to 5a. So a is equal to this multiplication 5, bring it to this side, that will become division. So 110 by 5. So if you cancel 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So 22 degree we are getting. So A is equal to 22 degrees, your correct answer. Here also they are asked you to check where 4A is an acute angle. So let us check it here. 4A should be acute angle. 4A is equal to 4 into A value. A value is 22. So 4 into 22 will give you 88 degrees. So 88 is an acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees. And acute angle. So our proof is true. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.